Today I'm showing here, I made mods to my Alaska chainsaw mill. I used to have the brackets on the outside here. I think it was this one. It was originally on the inside. So I modified it and I moved the brackets to the outside. That did a couple things for me. It widened the overall stance of it. And then it let me change, so I changed my rail system too. I used to have a wooden support end here. Now I've got a steel one, and that makes the whole rail system wider, and that's going to give me a more stable cut as I go across. I got to show you this here. I had a deal going where in the center, when I start my, when I first position the rails, I put this center on first, and I screw it down. Then I fix the end pieces, right? So this was going to show you this angle iron is the exact same as the one on the other end. So when I have this in place here, you can see that the screw I'm putting in, it just comes flush with the end of this angle. So that basically means I can cut under here as long as I'm clearing my end things. I can't possibly hit this screw. So that's a big improvement. On each of these brackets, I bored that hole so I can put a 1/2 inch socket through there and tighten them up. Same on the ends. And last but not least, the reason for all this changes, once I modified the mill, I needed a longer bar, so got this bad boy. "36" new milling chain. I got this over at Northern Metallic in Edson, and they threw that chain together for me over there. Yeah, that's serious chain, serious bar. The only thing now, if I look at my mill, my guard here, my guard has to be modified. So, need to find me another plastic bucket. Now, tomorrow we're taking this out. Gonna find a standing dead spruce or pine, either one will work. And I'm gonna run the mill and make some planks. That's all for today. Just had to show you the mods to the rails and briefly explain the changes I made on them. Show you the mill again, you've seen that before. And then that beautiful 36-inch bar. July 11, 2021. Over and out. July 12, 2021, I'm out east of Whitecourt, and I'm going to mill these two pieces of pine, making planks. So just got to haul them out, start setting up here. truck ahead. Yep, got my wedges, got all my saw stuff over here. And before I get going, I still have my 24-inch bar on here. I just cut these logs yesterday, and I didn't have time to do anything else. I got to switch over to my 36-inch bar, so I'll shut the camera off while I'm doing that job. Okay, I've got the 36-inch bar in the mill here. You can see how it fits here, and the obvious thing, the problem I had where I had my clamp on the sprocket, that's gone, but no tip guard anymore. I will make one. I didn't have time for today. Now what I got to do is set my rails up, and you know how you come up with ideas, and so I modified this. And one of the things that I realized when I put this on, if I mount it this way and install the far end first, I'll have I can put that other end support on, and I'll have better start on my cut. So that's what I'm going to do. But I've only got one battery, so I got to spare it. I'm going to shut this off. I'll get set up, and when I start milling, I'll film that for a bit. Yeah, after I modified the mill, my spacer block is different. Okay, my starting cut is set. Okay, back here we go. This is what I was talking about. By changing my way of thinking, all of a sudden I got the extension at my starting point, which is going to get me a better starting cut. Camera was in the way. Okay, I got the first slab cut. Now we've got to adjust for our second cut. Top slab. I have different spacers. I could go with a 2-inch slab, but that's more than I need, and an 1.5 inches. So I'll put this guy in this way. There we go. 1.5 inch spacer set. And I think I'm going to get 3 slabs out of this. Alright, I'll just pause this for a bit since I only have one battery left. It's pretty hot out here today. I've got 2 slabs done. That's number 2. Beautiful wood. I might even just take this right like that. But my saw has to cool off. It's 31 degrees out here today. Time to have a drink of water. Well, I did go ahead and cut the 3rd slab. This piece, look at how good you can go here with the middle. Back side. This is tiring. I'm not going to cut anymore today because I want to give my saw a break. It's too friggin' hot. But I got 3 slabs done. The other log, I think I might just take that to work. And that's a government project for night shift. Okay. That's the end for this video.